and I just tell them that I thrifted it, and then they make disappointing faces. This is my perfect summer top. The first item I picked up was these Alexander McQueen sandals. I just can't, yeah. Hi, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I really wanted to film a huge summer haul. This haul is gonna include everything. Clothes, shoes, makeup, bags, accessories, and other miscellaneous stuff that I've been loving. If you guys think this is a lot, just keep in mind that I've been collecting these things over the past 2 summers. Not everything was bought recently. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna start with tops. First thing I really want to show you guys is this really fun top I got from a Diesel outlet in London, I believe. This top is just perfect for clubbing, night outs, music festival. It looks so nice. Also, it's extremely comfortable. It has this super soft lining inside, so you can wear it for as many hours as you want without feeling itchy. Just pair it with a simple baggy denim or a mini skirt and you look cool. Second item I really want to show you guys is this halter neck I got from Bershka. This also has a really cool ring detailing on it. I've been obsessed with halter necks lately. I feel like halter necks just look good on everybody and they're just like such a fun top for the summer. So I'm really glad I picked this up, and I'm also glad that I picked up this color instead of black or white. It's just such a fun summer vibe. I went to Bangkok last month and these are the 4 items I picked up from there. So first 2 are these tank tops I picked up from a store called Daddy. Interesting name but a really nice clothing selection. First one is this red one. This is my perfect summer top. It is soft, comfortable. I'm obsessed with the color. It has really cool detailing on it, and you can just wear it with anything and it looks good. Second one is a grey one. It also has this really cool detailing on it. Very cute. This is the kind of top that I will wear in my house to lounge around because this is that comfortable. But I can also leave my house wearing it without thinking twice, which makes it superior and perfect for this hot, sweaty season. Lastly, bought these 2 items from a random store in Bangkok. So glad I picked them up. First of all, I bought these items without trying because they were such a good price. I'm so glad I did though. First one is this corset. Such a nice color. I love this denim wash. It looks so good and it is also very comfortable. Sorry for that. It is also very comfortable. It is padded, has elastic on the back, and most importantly, it makes my waist look so good and tiny, which I love. Second is this halter neck. It is perfect for summer. It's backless. It looks really nice when I wear it. I feel so hot in it. And yeah, moving on. I thrifted this corset from a random store in Paris that I unfortunately can't remember the name of. And this corset also doesn't have any tags on it. Extremely sorry. But look how stunning this is. It has such a nice detailing at the front. It's just a perfect top, super duper comfortable, and whenever I wear this top I get so many compliments. People always ask me where I got it from and I just tell them that I thrifted it, and then they make disappointing faces because they feel like I'm gatekeeping, but I would never gatekeep. Last thing in tops are these 2 items from Uniqlo. First item is this basic black sleeveless top. This top just looks good with everything. It feels so nice, so breathable. One of those tops that you just can wear and walk out without thinking about dressing it. You can just wear it with anything and it looks good. Second item is this crop shirt. This is from Jonathan Anderson's collab with Uniqlo. After several attempts, I somehow managed to get this and I'm so glad I did. It is the perfect crop shirt. It's the perfect length, perfect color, amazing quality. Is it suitable for Delhi summer? No, but if you go to places that have really nice air conditioning, you can definitely style it. Finally done with tops. Moving on with lowers, I don't have much to show, only few items, so let's go. First are these linen pants. I think I got them from Urban Outfitters. I'm pretty sure I did. They are just perfect linen pants. They are so breathable. I walked around them in Europe during summer and I didn't regret it. And these are sweatpants. This year I realized that I didn't have a good pair of high quality sweatpants, so my mission was to buy some and I did. Starting with Uniqlo. Very comfortable, very baggy. I love a wide leg baggy sweatpant. Very nice, very comfortable. Extremely soft. Really, really soft. Second is this sweatpant which has this really cool detailing on it. They're so nice quality, so heavy. I bought them from a random store in Thailand. I don't know how to pronounce the name. Is it focusing? Is it focusing? It's not focusing. Okay, I'll just put the name down here. Extremely cool. I just wear them with crop tops and I feel so nice. Lastly are these Lululemon track pants. These are perfect for gym. Material is so nice, so airy and so breathable. I wouldn't recommend these two for gym, but this, yes. I didn't focus on buying lowers that much in summer. My full focus was on getting cute tops and cute dresses. Talking about cute dresses, these are the two dresses I got. Wore both of them on my birthday, so obviously I love them a lot. First one is this perfect summer dress. Got this from Bershka as well. Bershka has some really cute pieces. It is so pretty. I wore this to this rainforest cafe that my best friend found in Thailand. It was just the perfect vibe. Second one is this long dress I got from Almost God. Look how fun the pattern is. I'm just like really into finding nice long dresses recently, and this one is so high quality. It was expensive, but I feel like definitely worth the price. It just looks so good. One long and one short dress for the summer. That's all you need. This ring just keeps coming off and it's irritating me. Moving on to shoes. The first thing I really want to show you guys are these pair of red heels. I bought them in Paris last year. They are from a brand called Jonak. Perfect summer shoes. Extremely comfortable and they are so stunning. I also went to Copenhagen last month and there I found these two perfect summer shoes. The first item I picked up was these Alexander McQueen sandals. Look how stunning they are. I love the metal detailing on them. My first ever item from Alexander McQueen. I've always wanted to buy something from the brand, but they're so expensive. But with this one, they had 30% off and I got them at a really decent price. Okay, so the last item are these Chloe sandals. My mom got them from me. For some reason, they were having 50% off on Chloe, so she just picked them up. And I'm so glad she did. I feel like these are such a nice everyday summer sandal to wear. With accessories, my goal was to buy a really high quality pair of sunglasses and jewelry, and that's what I did. Starting off with jewelry, I picked up these two chunky rings from Pandora. Pandora is a Danish brand, so I had to buy it when I was in Copenhagen. These are my first Pandora pieces, so I'm really excited. Second item is this necklace and this ring I bought from a random pop-up store in Paris. This necklace just screams summer. It looks good with everything, but it looks really good with swimwear. Whenever I wear it on the beach, I get so many compliments. So for me, this is my perfect beach necklace. Moving on to the ring. This ring also screams summer. It is the perfect summer ring. This is so much fun, such a unique piece to own. I have worn these two pieces so many times, have gotten so many compliments on them. And for the quality, the price was so good. I'm so happy I picked it up. Unfortunately, I don't remember the name of the store. I am extremely sorry, but surely you can find similar pieces somewhere. Gold hoops, my best friend got them from me for my birthday. They look so nice, have this interesting detailing on them, which makes them very fun and unique. Thanks, Vatai. I have heard so many nice things about this brand, so I finally caved in and got two pieces. It's Wild Child. So many Bollywood celebrities and influencers wear it and they rave about it. So I got bracelets, one in silver and the same one in gold. I'm really into mixing metals these days. It just looks really nice. They're extremely heavy and sturdy. I have high expectations. They look super cool though. Time for sunglasses. Gonna keep this one quick. First one is Valentino. My dad got them from me. I tried them on and they looked so nice. I love the shape. I love the detailing. They have this really nice detailing on this side. I just love the shape. It's such an interesting shape. I just can't yap, y'all. Actually, when I decided to film this video, I was like, I don't have that many things to show, but clearly I do. I've been sitting here for like 2 hours. Second glasses are from Gentle Monster. These are Gentle Monster X Jenny collab. I couldn't find the cute trinkets because firstly, they were out of stock, and the second time I asked, they said they were discontinued, which doesn't make sense. I don't know why they discontinued them. But once again, perfect glasses for summer. Love the shape. We are finally at the last part of the haul, which is makeup. Starting off with blush. Rhode. You have heard about them. You have seen them everywhere. I would say they are very worth the hype. They are extremely easy to work with, very buildable, which I love the most. The two shades that I have been wearing that suit my skin are Sleepy Girl, which looks like this, and second is Toasted Teddy. Last thing I really want to show you guys in makeup is this Guerlain Paris lipstick my best friend Shamama got me for my birthday. She literally picked up the perfect case for me. Look how stunning it looks. It's just such a fun thing. Like, you can just apply a lipstick and you're done. Perfect lipstick to carry if you're going somewhere. It looks nice and it makes applying lipstick extremely easy and enjoyable. I realized I completely forgot to show my bag, so the last thing in this haul is this Gani bag that I got. You can just wear it as it is or you can wear it as a crossbody. I love the gold detailing on it. I just can't deal with bags that cannot fit at least my sunglasses and wallet in them. That bothers me, so every bag I go for needs to have enough space for at least those 3 items, and this has it. That's all. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next week. Bye.